Well, we don't have a problem. If it suits everyone, my lord, that is in order.
Yes, Mr. Umsolwa.
My lord, I don't have any problem if the matter is postponed to Wednesday.
I know all the tricks.
If the matter is
Are you
postponed
available
to Wednesday,
tomorrow, Mr. Mgomezulu?
Mr. Mgomezulu, I was made aware that he's not available. I'm sorry to speak
I know
on
all
his
the
behalf.
tricks. The ones I don't know, they have not been invented. So you are not available, sir?
That's correct.
Yeah, that's the reason. Eh?
No, that's not the main.
Okay, we'll accommodate you. Postponed to Wednesday then.
Mnumzana Mgomezulu sele ukuthi icala lihleliselwe ngolwesithathu abameli abanye nabo bathi abanankinga umshushisi naye uthi akanankinga icala lingahleliselwa ngolwesithathu.
I forgot, my lord, there's one issue that Advocate Minisi wanted to bring to the attention of the court. We said we'll address it at the end of the day.
Yeah, Mr. Minister.
My lord, I've been requested by Mr. Mnube.
Who is Mr. Mnube now?
That's accused number 3.
Oh, okay.
Yes. To bring the following to the attention of the court.
Yeah.
That on account of his incarceration condition, he is unable to meaningfully prepare for this case because that hampers his thinking capacity. So he tells me he's detained in a solitary confinement, which tells me it's a precarious situation. He is in a precarious situation. It's
When he's alone, he wants to have company.
I said to him, on account of the fact that he requests me to convey this message to the court, I'll definitely do that. What the court then does with that message, it will be up to the court, my lord. He has even penned a billet docs, a letter, my lord, wherein he describes his condition as I have been in CIMEX prison in solitary confinement for almost 3 years and 3 months. I cannot defend my case or prepare a defense whilst being tortured and not at my full mental capacity.
He's still being tortured even now.
No, I mean, my lord, he equates the condition in which he is detained as those that similar to what is happening at Guatemala.
Guatemala?
Yes.
He's been there in Guatemala.
Me, my lord. Me.
No, he says the conditions
No, that
are
is
like,
my addendum.
like in Guatemala.
That is my addendum. Guatemala is my addendum.
Oh, so you are saying his conditions are like in Guatemala?
Yes, it's an equivalent of postia.
Yeah.
So that is the message, my lord, that requested me to bring to the attention of the court, requesting and imploring this court to find that in the circumstances of the trial in which he is involved, to a larger extent, this might equate to him not having a fair trial on account of the condition in which he finds himself, being the condition in which he is being detained.
Yeah.
There's a law that it says in his letter. This is just a summary of what.
Yeah. Okay. I hear you.
Yes.
But I can't do much about that because it's correctional services who decide on how to house visitors of the state.
I perfectly understand, my lord, the situation.
Yes.
I only have to fulfill my mandate, my lord.
Yeah, no,
convey
fine.
this message to the
You'll
court.
explain to him that you can write a letter on his behalf to the Department of Correctional Services and bring that to their attention. Maybe the commissioner is a brilliant guy. He'll decide to house your client somewhere.
I will discuss the issue with him.
Okay.
I'd really appreciate, my lord, if that were to be interpreted to him.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you.
As the court pleases, and I was going to do it immediately when you are done.
Thank you.
Ummeli wakho Umsolwa wesithathu uyasho ke ukuthi wena awujabulelanga indlela yokuthi uphethwe ngayo njengoba usejele la ukuthi uhleli wedwa uthi wena awukwazi ukuzilungiselela kuleli cala futhi ke ingqondo yakho ayikwazi ukuthi ingahle ikusize noma ukusebenza kahle njengoba ukuthi ukuleli cala kunezinye izinto ukuthi wena ubona ukuthi uyakhinyebezeka kuzo manje uthi bekacele ukuthi ayazise inkantolo lokho. Inkantolo ithi ayinawo amandla wokuthi ingasho ukuthi wena unikwe noma ufakwe kwiseli elinabanye abantu noma kuguqulwe kuphi ejele, kodwa ummeli wakho akusize ukuthi nibhale incwadi mhlawumbe kulaba abaphethe amajele abazosho ke ukuthi isinqumo bona bazothatha siphi. Uthi ummeli wakho uzokhulumisana nawe nangalokho bese nithatha isinqumo sokuthi kwenzakaleni. Uyezwa? And I have interpreted, my lord, and the accused says he understands.
Yeah, the accused don't know, have voices now. I've been watching this. When you say, do you understand? Marawisha Mwisizulu, as you say, Samadot. They don't say yebo. They say,
Ithi inkantolo ilibele inibhekile aka ayisho kuphela kumsola wesithathu. Uthi kini nanonke anisenawo manje amaphimbo. Ithi inkantolo sonke isikhathi njengoba mangilibele ngintolikele. Uma ngibuza ukuthi niyazwisisa, nina anisho ukuthi yebo, nivele nithi amakhaya.
unfortunately, we don't have a photographic microphone.
Ithi inkantolo ama microphone wethu awakwazi ukuthwebula izithombe ezibonisayo uma nithi amakhaya.
They only record sound.
Ama microphone wona athatha nje iphimbo.
But I can't force you. If you don't want to speak, I just look at you and make my own conclusion that you're agreeable to what the interpreter has interpreted.
Kodwa inkantolo ithi ngeke iniphoqe ukuthi niphendule ngephimbo, yona ke izonibheka bese iyacabanga ukuthi nivumelana nalento engizabe nginitshele yona. Inkantolo ithi umshushisi kusho ukuthi ngizoba umshushisi ngelinye ilanga.
Okay, thanks. Wednesday then.
So kuya ngolesithathu.